ladder going in there. Somewhere. Floorboard. Oh, is that what it was? Yep. Keep oil on that.
Oh my God. First gear's going real stiff.
We got this adjusted at up here. Down a little bit. It was noisy last night too. It hammered in pretty hard yesterday too.
It's a fucking noisy bike.
Yeah, I know. You need a muffler on this thing.
I think it's good. Double check all the bolts. Everything sounds alright. Make sure everything's torqued down. That's down.
You haven't fallen off yet? No, the exhaust is tight.
That one ain't torqued.
What's that?
I can see it.
What'd you miss?
Probably have to run through this thing.
Oh, the top cover. Yeah, it's a little loose. Use a little L wrench to get in there better. One of those.
It's good.
You getting over that? All of them? Check all of them.
I remember I was on that side doing those in a corner.
Yeah, well,
And I was supposed to come back to those.
If you got a couple loose, get them all. Check them all.
No, they're tight.
Okay. Back that all the way down, it doesn't pinch your fingers when you lift them. Oil leak.
That being said, hold on. I'll just close that bell right here. Lock that.
You got tired of singing to you out there?
You heard that guy?
Oh yeah, it's loud. Serenading you. You still adjusting that clutch?
No, it's good.
Tighten it down.
I'm actually leave it like that. Just ride it home and see if it leaks.
Yep.
That's the big thing.
Well, we know that seal was pretty bad, so that was a big leak.
That seal was busted.
Yeah, that was a big leak.
It was a damn big leak, Tatro.
Yeah, well, you got your bag over here still. Got that thing right there. So you got a full load out there.
It gets crazy at night. You gotta be careful.
So I can stand up myself.
Where do you want me to throw that oil?
It goes in the back in the 5-gallon bucket. Let's get the saddlebag up on there. That should be the last thing to hook up, I guess. See if you're getting arrested. Should have a solid compensator thing 2 days. They'll ship it tomorrow and have it the next day.
Really? So I should have just left the bike tore down, Tatro.
Yeah, there you go. You have to walk home though. Can't have that. Well, we're just going to do a seal test. We want to see if it fixes it this time.
Yeah.
Your bags leak water, got a lot of holes in them.
It's for that loud and annoying stereo to bother everyone.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah.
What's that aluminum thing with the titty in it there for?
Aluminum thing with the titty.
Under your palm.
That I'm pulling?
No. In the bag.
Oh. That right there is a tweeter.
That thing. That's a twit?
Tweeter.
You got Twitter on this bike?
Yeah.
All right. All that social media crap going on. Now I know where to send all the hate mail.
Send it to me live and direct.
There you go. Alright, we're finished mess up around here. You left. We'll be back. Stupid ass YouTube videos want all the same shit. They want to see the ugly ass bike start up, make noise, and ride down the street. Now they want me to put a camera on the bike and wire it down the street so they can get a free ride on your bike. That's the latest ones. Yeah, that ain't happening. Look at you peeking all over my ground out there. Look at that. Fancy bike and the LED light. Oh, there goes your buddy. There he goes.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, bug races right here. Look at that. Take it right up that damn tree right there.
If I spring a fucking leak, I'll be calling you.
Oh, you call me all kinds of stuff
You know
already.
what? They want to get something on camera. Get this fucking $1,000 headlight.
No, that's an ugly ass headlight. I got one of those over here in the box. You want it? It's got 2 spotlights with it too.
No, this one rotates and
Rivera
moves
Primo.
when you lean.
Rivera Primo.
Fancy.
Yeah, well.
That's that rotating light.
Yeah, whatever. Rivera's got the turn signals in it too.
It rotates when you lean.
Great.
Safety first. You gotta light up the road when you're leaning.
No, you just got to go for it. 10 is lit. 10 is good road. Don't worry about the bumps when you hit them.
You gotta see what's in front of you.
Nah, only when you hit it. I'm used to riding no lights.
If we spring a sprinkler leak, Tatro, I'm gonna be a pissed off camper. I gotta be mad at myself because I did the work.
That's right. It's all your fault.
Alright.
Look at him taking that slide. Like Smitty's bike. Christmas show on the back of the bike. Oh, he went the other way. There he goes. Oh, he's not even gonna drive fast. Look at that. Oh, he's riding like a little baby now. Look at that. There you go. See, we do show the bikes run down the street. Yeah, I got parking now. See, that's the time of day you come by for parking in front of my shop. Yeah, 11:40. That's when you get parking out front. Other than that, forget it. All right, sit for 9 on this one.